Hi Dressio Cuties! Today we're going to draw a Beanie Boost unicorn, so let's get started. To draw this cute unicorn, we're going to first start by drawing an oval for the nose and mouth area. So I'm going to start by right here and just draw an oval. There. So then from there, I'm going to come in here and just draw two little dots, just two little circles. So this is for the nostrils. And then towards the bottom right here, I'm going to draw a smile. So just a curve goes up and cap it off. And that looks like a little face already, right? Now you're not going to be able to unsee that after we draw the unicorn. Hopefully you will be able to. Okay, so now we can go ahead and draw the eyes. So I'm going to come right over here on the edge, right here in the corner, and draw a big circle for the eyes. So I'll just start about right here and just draw a huge circle all the way around. And so same thing over here. There. There, so I got my two big circles in for the eyes. I'm going to make them Dressio cute eyes. So I'm going to come in here with two smaller circles for highlights. And a curved line at the bottom and shade in the top. And the lines at the bottom. So same thing on this side. Okay, now that the eye's in, I'm gonna come about right here where the eye is, just give it a little space, and I'm gonna start to draw the face. So I'm just gonna come about right here where the eye started. Just draw a curve. And I'm just gonna basically be drawing kind of like a wide bottom of a U. So I just round it off. And I'm going to head towards the bottom right here, not too far off, just a little bit, and connect it. So towards this part right here, and connect it. Okay, so now that I have that, I'm going to go up more now with this curve. So it's just kind of like a dumpling shape. Go up, bring it up. So we still have to put the horn right here, so we're going to go up a little bit more. Okay, so then in this area, I'm leaving the center open because I still have to draw a horn. If you're using a pencil, just go ahead and connect this. So I'm going to come to the center right here and just draw a curve. Come down a little bit, right in the center, and draw a curve. And I'm going to come to the center of my curve, say about right here, about this high. And that's where I'm going to connect to my horn, round it off a little bit. From there, let's come in here. We're going to give it some curves just to give our horn some dimension. So just draw some curves inside right here. Round this off a little bit more. Okay, so then now we can go ahead and finish this curve right here for the head. And then I'm going to come to the side right here and draw the ears. So say about right here. I'll give myself a point, and right here, the other one. And I'm just going to go up. Round it off a little bit at the tip and bring it back down. So I'm coming in here with a curve for the inside, the ear. So I'll do the same thing on this side. So from this point right here, and then I'm going to drag this point across so that it's just approximate, about the same height on both sides. Then round it off, and I'm going to come down to drag a point right here, all the way down. So once again, we're going to come up and draw a curve. Okay, so now then let's draw the mane. So I'm just going to add a little curve of a mane right here. So I'm just going to come out the curve. Imagine going through the horn, and then it's going to wave out. Give a curve and tuck it right back in. And then you can come in here if you want so that you can give it some different colors. Just draw some stripes. There. And right here, I'm just going to very lightly just draw two little curves right above the eye. And you can even add some lashes on your unicorn if you want. It's all up to you. Okay, so then now let's draw the cute little body. It's going to be centered, so I'm going to come about right here. Just give myself 2 points. So I'm pretty much centered. And from there, I'm just going to wiggle a little bit because it is furry, little Beanie Boo. So if you want, if it's too hard, you can just go ahead and draw a smooth line. But if you can, just kind of wiggle a little bit. And we're going to curve it down. And let's see here, let's keep going. And about right there, I'll stop. So I'm going to leave this chest area right here. And so then about right here, I'm going to come towards the center. Right here, I'm going to draw the front legs. So come out, wiggle, wiggle. And then on the other side, the same thing. So these 2 center curves. And then I'm just going to go ahead and continue my front legs. So about right there, I'll stop and then go ahead and connect it once again with some wiggles and zigzags all the way across. And then let's see here, let's come back right here and just draw a curve just to connect the chest area in between. And now to draw the hooves. So I'm going to come in here, under, right here, and curve. So same thing on this side. And you can lightly draw a line, a curve right here. Just give your hooves some dimension. And so now the back legs. I'm going to come about right here. And once again, wiggle, line out. About right there. And then I'm going to draw a curve right here for the back hoof. Down. And bring it back in. Curve and tuck it back in. And then in this area right here, just draw a curve to give your hoof some dimension. And then same thing on this side. So let's drag a point across to where you started. You're just going to come out, drag a point right here. That's where your hoof is going to start. And once again, just curve it out. So about right here, and then connect it. And then once again, a curve. And then in right here, we're gonna have to draw a little line just to connect this. So that's where the back is of the unicorn, about right there. And then that is pretty much it, except I'm going to add a little heart right here, of course, because it is my Jaw So Cute unicorn from Beanie Boos. If you want, you can add a little tail right here. So maybe about right here, we'll kind of stick out a little tail. And just connect it. And just once again, come in here with some stripes. So you can add some color to the tail. And that is pretty much it for this cute little unicorn from Beanie Boos. Thanks so much for watching, and if you loved it, please give me a thumbs up and share it. And remember to subscribe so you won't miss any new Draw So Cute videos. See you later.